Today's explainer video is brought to you by your 24/7 RV assistant, the RV Adviser GPT app. Produced by InnovaHub.ca.
Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're diving into something that is an absolute game changer for your travels. If you own an RV, or frankly, if you're even just thinking about getting one, you already know that the freedom of the open road comes with a pretty steep learning curve. But what if you could literally carry decades of RV experience right in your pocket? Today, we're exploring a brilliant tool from InnovaHub, which is a Canadian digital publishing and software initiative. It's called the RV Adviser GPT, and we're going to unpack exactly how it works, what it does, and why it's so important for your next big adventure.
Is your RV causing you stress? It's a simple question, but honestly, if you're an owner, that probably hits just a little too close to home, right? We buy these amazing vehicles to escape the daily grind, but so often they just end up becoming a source of entirely new anxieties. We're talking about the hidden realities of managing all these complex, intertwined systems. You've got plumbing, electrical, automotive, climate control, and it's all bouncing down the highway at 60 miles an hour. It is a lot to handle, and if we're being completely honest, it can feel incredibly overwhelming when things don't go exactly to plan.
Because let's face it, there's a massive gap between the dream and the reality. The dream? Relaxing on the open road with a hot cup of coffee, watching a beautiful sunrise. It's exactly what the brochures sell us. But the reality? Crouching in a cramped hallway, frantically trying to troubleshoot a broken furnace on a chilly evening. The contrast between the idyllic promise of RVing and the frustrating, real-world reality of roadside breakdowns is vast. And it's exactly this gap between expectation and reality that we're tackling today. Section 1. The RV Ownership Challenge and the Hidden Stresses of the Road. Okay, let's dive into this.
I think every single RV owner has been in this exact position. Just staring at a super complex control panel, completely overwhelmed. One minute you're on vacation and the next, you're suddenly expected to be an electrician, a plumber, and a mechanic, all rolled into one. You're managing power grids and water systems without an actual professional on standby to help you out. When a light starts blinking red out of nowhere or your water pressure drops, that feeling of isolation really kicks in. You just need answers, and you need them fast.
Section 2. Meet RV Adviser GPT, your 24/7 AI co-pilot. So what exactly is it? Well, RV Adviser GPT is an AI-powered online application acting as a smart assistant, and it's equipped with decades of RV experience. But the absolutely crucial point here is that this isn't just some basic web tool or a static FAQ page. It's an interactive, pocket-sized expert designed to give you clear, accurate answers anytime, anywhere. And amazingly, because it stems right from InnovaHub's mission for accessible learning, it's currently available for free. It's supported simply by donations, completely democratizing expert knowledge for anyone with a smartphone. Let's look at the core domains this assistant covers: buying, maintaining, troubleshooting, winterizing, and connectivity. It essentially spans the entire life cycle of RV ownership. From those early stages of picking the right rig, to ongoing maintenance, to those critical, high-stress moments of troubleshooting, all the way down to seasonal prep and handling your internet on the road. The goal here is comprehensive support. You don't need to jump between a dozen different forums or flip through dusty manuals anymore. You can ask about any of these domains and skip the guesswork entirely. Section 3. Smart Troubleshooting and Systems and How to Master Your Rig. Now, what's really interesting here is how it handles the day-to-day stuff. The workflow here is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you notice a problem. Maybe the fridge just isn't cooling, or the furnace won't ignite. Step 2, instead of panicking, you just ask the RV Adviser GPT what's going on. And Step 3, you follow its plain English expert guidance to fix it. That plain English part, that is absolutely vital. It doesn't throw complex engineering jargon at you. It transforms a highly stressful situation into a totally manageable task by helping you diagnose and fix common problems fast.
To actually be comfortable and reliable on the road, you really need to understand your essential systems: power, water, heating, and solar. The RV Adviser GPT helps you master all of these. It takes the mystery completely out of your electrical draws, it explains the flow of your plumbing, demystifies your heating elements, and helps optimize your solar intake. It basically turns you from a passive passenger in your own vehicle into a knowledgeable pro.
I absolutely love this quote from the source material. Skip the guesswork and go straight to expert guidance that actually works. Think about the usual alternative for a second. It's usually a frantic, late-night internet search, sifting through a bunch of conflicting opinions on message boards while your food spoils in a warm refrigerator. The real value here is that it cuts right through all that noise.
It gives you reliable, actionable answers immediately, saving you time, saving you money, and saving you a whole lot of frustration. Section 4. Winterizing and road connectivity. Getting prepared for every season.
Look, improper storage can lead to insanely expensive freeze damage and, horrible mold surprises. But on the flip side, safely winterized means you're totally spring-ready. The RV Adviser GPT guides you step-by-step through exact winter storage preparation. It provides real peace of mind and ensures you avoid those incredibly costly mistakes that completely ruin the start of a new camping season.
And if you're sick and tired of weak Wi-Fi and confusing gadgets, the app has you covered there too. It handles mobile internet setups, signal boosters, and streaming setups. The source material really emphasizes this. Whether you're working remotely from the road or you just want to kick back and watch a movie on a rainy afternoon, the assistant ensures you stay connected wherever the road takes you without needing a degree in IT.
Because the ultimate payoff here is comfort. By removing those technical hurdles and providing crystal clear, plain English instructions, you can easily stream your favorite shows and finally enjoy the freedom and relaxation that you bought the RV for in the first place.
Section 5. Get the app today and travel smarter, not harder.
Let this number really sink in for a second. 24/7. That is constant, round-the-clock availability. Whether it's noon at a sunny, packed campsite or 2 in the morning on the side of a pitch-black highway, you literally have decades of RV experience right in your pocket, ready to jump in and assist you. You are never traveling alone when you have this kind of expert guidance available at the tap of a screen.
So here's what you really need to take away from this explainer today. You need to visit www.innovahub.ca/apps to access the RV Adviser GPT today. Head over to the InnovaHub website, access this AI-powered assistant, and start completely eliminating the stress of RV ownership. And remember, it is a free, donation-supported tool designed entirely to help you out. Which leaves us with one final, absolutely crucial question. Are you ready to travel smarter? Because the tools to master your rig, avoid costly mistakes, and truly enjoy the open road are waiting for you right now. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now get out there, grab your new AI Copilot, and go have an amazing, stress-free adventure.
Thank you for watching. For additional information and access to the RV Adviser GPT app, go to InnovaHub.ca and click on the Smart Software button.